Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the saved contacts in your Google account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are a couple different ways to find it. One of the easiest ways is to open up a web browser. Google Chrome or Safari works the exact same if you're on Android or an iPhone. And let's say just go to google.com and you'll be able to see at the top right is your profile button. Just tap on that. After you're here, just tap on where it says manage your Google account. And then just scroll down until you find where it says people and sharing. Tap on that. And here you can see your family on Google, and I can scroll down to contacts. Now, if you don't see this, you'll be able to see at the very top, all I need to do is go to contacts.google.com and hit go. Now that I'm in contacts.google.com, you'll be able to see all of my contacts. However, keep in mind, this might not be all of them because I can tap on the three lines at the top left. Let's hit stay on web. And from here, you can see other contacts. So you might find that some of the contacts are in your other contacts, not your normal contacts. So here's contacts, frequent, and other contacts. Those other contacts are oftentimes ones that just pop up from your emails. Now, if you want to make sure those are synced up on your phone, you can always just open up the settings app. And then let's scroll down until we get to accounts and backup. And then from here, manage accounts. You can see there is my Gmail. So just tap on your Gmail or Google account, tap on sync account here, and then make sure for contacts that is turned on. So if that is off, it won't sync up all those contacts to your phone. Just turn it on, and now all the contacts for that Google account will be on your phone as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.